Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí movie review by Tolex. Channel ibi tá máa ti ń gbóríṣiríṣi movie wá láti sọ òtítọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ nípa wọn. The movie I watched recently wey really crack me up na ALAKADA by Boujee. Film yìí funny gan no be small. From the beginning to the end, e full with drama and cruise. One of the scenes wey really make sense ni when Yetunde and her friends travel go Benin Republic. Wọ́n fẹ́ lọ meet máa olówó kan èyí tó ní PA tí orúkọ PA ń jẹ́ Abigail. When they arrived, dem sit down with Abigail, they gist and shop, but Yetunde and her friends start to form and lie say Davido collect money from them that time wey e wan do wedding. They even begin talk bad about Abigail in Yoruba because dem think say she no understand wetin dem dey talk. But that part burst my head because Abigail just dey look them quietly, and then boom, she replied back in pure Yoruba. Everybody was shocked. Yetunde come dey form again. She talk say ìyá tó bí ìyá bàbá mi ni Ẹfúnṣetó Aníwúrà àti ìyá tó bí ìyá mi ni Ọ̀ṣun tó ní omi tó wà ní gbogbo ayé. Na that nonsense Yetunde sabi talk. Abigail don dey first that time o. She say, so you think that I don't understand Yoruba? You people think you can just talk about me anyhow. She just switch to Yoruba and finish all of them. They no even talk again. Dem just dey bone face jejely go their way. That scene mad gone. The way Abigail changed the gentle to full Yoruba mode na that moment I talk say this movie worth hit jare. From that point go, the movie just full with energy, the acting, the expression, everything on point. You go just dey laugh anyhow. That scene wake me no be small. Abigail finish them clean, no mercy at all. Yesterday and her crew just carry their wahala go house quietly. Na so the matter take end. That is it about this review about ALAKADA and Boujee. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also share it with your family and friends. Thank you and see you in another video.